Hello guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So I was going to do a new video. I was going to do the quick jacks. However, my GoPro, the Hero 8, has died. I've had this since the start of the channel, so it is well over 3 years old, and I've used it for every single video, and I've used it personally as well when I've been out with the family. It's been a great little GoPro. So in the summer, I picked up this GoPro. This is a GoPro 11, I believe. I picked it up pretty cheap. It's basically just sat on this bench for about 4 months, and I've never actually got a chance to set up and use it, and I guess today is the day. So I just want to make this quick video just to basically state, going forward, any content that is on the channel will be filmed using this GoPro, as this one is no good. So I will be shortly doing a video, focus, I'll be doing a video on this quick jack setup here, and I will be using the new GoPro for that. This is the GoPro Medium mod, the Creative Edition. It's pretty cool. I've been having a little play about with it. It's got the light in the top, it's got the external microphone, so the audio should be a lot better. It's got a nice stand, which is quite handy, and also it's got the built-in battery pack, because the batteries on these GoPros are shocking. So this battery pack should hopefully make this last a good hour or two. I've only played about for 5 minutes. I've put the screen protector on, always do that. This one here gets replaced all the time. It's actually got a chip at the bottom. Because of the work I do, this falls on its face all the time. This one actually came with a cover, which is quite nice. Bit more protection. Came in quite a large box. This is my old stand, but it came in a box like this, and I can stack it all in here and put that away, and the GoPro will be protected. Previously I just kept it in this drawer. This is kind of my GoPro drawer, I guess you could call that. So yeah, I'm having to use the iPhone today to show you guys this, because I obviously can't show you this while I'm using it. But yeah, it's a shame. This has been fantastic. I dread to think how many hundreds of hours, thousands of hours that have been recorded using this. It has been covered in oil. I've dropped it in coolant. This thing has been pretty tough. It's always had a case on, which is, to be fair, considering what I've done with it, it's all in pretty decent condition. I've even got the stand. I've had this for a year or two. Once again, it's perfectly fine, really. I mean, I did go through a few of these stands. I went and got the cheaper ones. I didn't want to use the official one for the stuff I do, but I think I've got rid of them. I've had quite a few of the cheap flimsy ones, and they just last a few months, and the legs and that fall off and fall a bit. But this was actually quite decent. I don't know the brand. It wasn't too expensive, I don't think, but it was more expensive than the cheap Chinese ones. But yeah, that thing's been great, and it's been really useful because the legs are bendable and you can twist them and hook them onto things and get some good shots. I will be using this on the GoPro when I do stuff in the garage, because this is quite a nice stand, and when with the family, when we go out on day trips and Christmas and what have you, I would like to keep this for that. But in the garage, when I'm doing stuff like this, or working on the car, or just, you know, doing anything grubby, dirty work, I will put this stand back on. So the light feature is actually quite nice. It's quite, as you guys can see, it's quite bright. I can't remember what I paid for this. It was cheap, very cheap. I don't know why it was so cheap. It was brand new. I don't know, but yeah, I got it off eBay. It was a random purchase in the summer. I wasn't looking for a new camera, just I stumbled across it. My birthday was coming up, and I thought, oh, I'll pick this up. But it's just sat here. Not really filmed much really since the summer. The last thing I filmed was using this, was something on the Ford Focus, probably my last video on the channel. But yeah, it's getting the red light. Basically, you put in fact, I'll show you guys. You put a battery in, like so. Any battery, even use the official charging cable, and you get the red light, which apparently is, I think someone said, the red light of doom or something like that. I might do a video and try and fix it, but I've hammered this thing But yeah, if I can try and fix it, that'd be nice. I don't want to chuck it. Obviously, I can keep the batteries and the charger, but I don't think these work. No, they don't. These are different. The battery in this one's a white battery. I think these only go up to the GoPro 10, typically. So really, this is no use. These memory cards as well, they're quite old. I think I've got 256 or something on these now. So probably just put this in that drawer and maybe come back to it at a later date and have a go, try fixing it. But if that's called the red light of doom, that's probably the reason why it's called that. It probably just means the camera inside's bricked, which, yeah, disappointing. I thought these things would live forever. You see people on YouTube with like GoPro Hero 3s or whatever they were back in the day, still using them. And this one, it's been used a lot. But if you're into crazy stunts and sports and you go on snowboard and stuff all the time, and these things get bashed about and buried in snow, and they still survive. So yeah, I don't know how this one's decided to just give up. But yeah, this will no longer be used for the channel. So any content from this video, which is filmed on an iPhone, which is very strange, it's got some weird autofocus thing going on and everything seems really close. I feel like I need to step back a couple of feet because I feel like it's, you know, going to hit the lens. But yeah, everything going forward will be filmed on this. So I'm going to have a tidy up and then come back. And in fact, actually, I might put this on charge because I think the battery said it was like 10% or something. Let's have a look. So I'm charging it now using this, I think this is called a Volta or something. Yeah, so the battery is 20%. And this is it that one? This is half full. So yeah, I probably should put it on charge. So put this on charge, go and have a cup of coffee, do some tidying up, and come back with this camera, and we'll do a setup on this quick jack, which I've just had a quick look and I can't find the instructions. So yeah, that should be interesting. So like always, guys, please like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.